Picturesque Pisa, a historic treasure. Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, Pisa is a city steeped in history and charm. Founded on the banks of the Arno River, Pisa's strategic location made it a maritime powerhouse in the Middle Ages. Its rich past is visible in its well-preserved Romanesque architecture, vibrant piazzas, and narrow, winding streets. Pisa thrived as a maritime republic, its ships sailing the Mediterranean and returning with treasures and influences from distant lands. This era of prosperity left an indelible mark on the city's cultural landscape, evident in its art, cuisine, and traditions. The heart of Pisa beats with a youthful energy fueled by its prestigious university, one of the oldest in Europe. Students from around the world flock to its hallowed halls, adding a vibrant international flavor to the city's ambience. Today, Pisa stands as a captivating blend of the old and the new. Its ancient walls whisper tales of maritime adventures and artistic brilliance, while its modern spirit embraces innovation and progress.
No visit to Pisa is complete without marveling at its most iconic landmark, the Leaning Tower. This architectural marvel, begun in the 12th century, was intended as a bell tower for the nearby Pisa Cathedral. However, the tower's fame lies in its unintentional tilt, a result of unstable subsoil that caused it to lean during construction. This quirk of engineering has transformed the tower into an enduring symbol of human ingenuity and the unexpected beauty found in imperfection. Over the centuries, the Leaning Tower has survived earthquakes and the test of time. Today, thanks to extensive stabilization efforts, the tower stands as a testament to human determination and engineering prowess. Visitors from across the globe come to witness its unique charm and capture that iconic photo, propping up the tower with a playful pose. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is more than just a tilted structure. It's a symbol of resilience, a reminder that even in the face of challenges, beauty and wonder can emerge.
While Pisa has always been a place of historical significance, the Leaning Tower's fame played a pivotal role in putting the city on the global tourism map. What began as a trickle of curious travelers eager to witness the peculiar tower soon transformed into a steady stream. The rise of mass tourism in the 20th century saw Pisa's popularity skyrocket. Travelers from all corners of the globe flocked to the Piazza dei Miracoli, eager to lay their eyes on the Leaning Tower and experience the city's unique charm. This influx of visitors brought with it economic opportunities and challenges alike. Pisa, once a sleepy Tuscan town, had to adapt to its newfound fame, finding ways to accommodate and cater to the needs of its growing number of guests. The growth of tourism in Pisa is a testament to the power of human curiosity and our desire to experience the extraordinary, even in the form of a leaning tower.
The influx of tourists has undoubtedly changed the face of Pisa. The city centre, once primarily inhabited by locals, is now bustling with souvenir shops, restaurants, and businesses catering to tourists. Yet, amidst this transformation, Pisa has managed to retain its authentic Italian character. Local markets still buzz with vendors selling fresh produce. Families gather in piazzas for their evening passeggiata, and the aroma of freshly brewed espresso wafts out from countless cafes. The city has done a commendable job of balancing the demands of tourism with the preservation of its heritage. The influx of visitors has brought economic prosperity, allowing for the restoration of historical buildings and the development of infrastructure. While the debate on the impact of tourism continues, one thing is certain: Pisa has embraced its role as a global destination, adapting to the challenges and reaping the benefits that come with welcoming the world to its doorstep.
Beyond the monuments and the tourist attractions, it's the people of Pisa who truly make the city special. Known for their warmth, hospitality, and love for their city, Pisan locals are always ready with a smile and a helpful hand. Pisa is a city where traditions run deep. From the annual Gioco del Ponte, a historical reenactment of a medieval battle on the Ponte di Mezzo, to the lively markets and family-run trattorias, Pisa offers a glimpse into the authentic Italian way of life.
Engage in conversation with a local artisan or shopkeeper, and you'll be rewarded with stories passed down through generations, insights into local customs, and perhaps even a secret recipe or two. The people of Pisa are proud of their heritage and eager to share it with those who visit their city. It's this genuine warmth and pride that makes Pisa more than just a tourist destination. It makes it a place where visitors feel welcomed and embraced.